How to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. Now in this video I'll show you two specific troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue. Now this is actually a common issue for um, laptop users that is touchscreen or that has somewhat like a pen type that they use to touch the screen of their laptops, especially while they're playing games. So the first thing that you want to have to do for your desktop is to hit on the Windows button and type in Device Manager from Control Panel, which is here. Next thing that you want to have to do is to go and access Human Interface Devices. Double click that. Now once you see a touchpad feature here, all you just have to do is to click on it, right click, and then choose on Disable Device. Once you've done that, the other thing that you can do is go back into your Windows button, type in Services. Now from Services menu, all you have to do is to hit any of the space here and hit on the W keys on your keyboard until you find Windows Pen or Windows Pen type. Again, do the same drill, click on it, and then choose on Stop. Try to rerun your Roblox application or client once again, see if it works. And that's how you fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile.